Hello, hi everyone. So this video is on IGCSE Physics 0625 for year 11 particularly in topic for electricity and magnetism. Okay, we're going to discuss about combination of resistor. Okay, basically from previous track number 2, we are talking about electrical resistance itself. So resistor we can put either in several combination. Okay, several combination. So at the end of this chapter, students should be able to give the combined resistance of 2 or more resistors in series. And another one is to state that the combined resistance of 2 resistors in parallel is less than that of either resistor by itself. Okay, combination of resistor. So basically we have two types of combination. The first one is in series. Okay, series means that we put resistor side by side. Okay, 2 or more resistors side by side. So how to calculate the total resistance in series? So R1 is plus R2 plus R3 is equal to the total resistance. Means that, okay, for two resistors side by side, let's say we have 10 ohms each. So the current has to flow through these two resistors instead of one. So the resistance in the circuit is double. So the combined resistance or resistance total, okay, resistance total is 20 ohm. So for resistor in series, the combined resistance is equal to the sum of the resistance. And the current is the same at all points around the circuit. So in here, if we have 3 resistors side by side, 10 ohm, 20 and 20 ohm, another one, so it is actually the total resistance, okay, is 50 ohm. Second one is resistor in parallel. Okay, in parallel is a bit different. Okay, if we put like 2 resistors in parallel, like in this diagram, so 1 over R total or 1 over combined resistance is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So for two resistors in parallel, the effective resistance is less than the resistance of either resistor, and the current from the source is greater than the current through either resistor. So basically, when the current go to this junction, it will be divided among these 3 resistors according to the value of the resistance. Okay, let us go straight to question number 1. Okay, we have 3 5 ohm resistors are connected in series with a 12 volt power supply. Calculate their combined resistance, the current that flows in the circuit, and the PD across its resistor. So in this case, we just calculate the combined resistance. Okay, so since it is in series, okay, we just try to draw 12 volt power supply here, and then we have three resistors in series. And we have 5 ohm each. So total resistance for resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 5 times 3 here we get 15 ohm. Question 2 is about parallel resistors. So we have two 40 ohm resistor and a 20 ohm resistor are all connected in parallel with a 12 volt power supply. So calculate their effective resistance and the current through each. What current flow from the supply? Since we discussed about combined resistors, so here we're going to calculate only its effective resistance. Okay, we have heard effective resistance, total resistance, combined resistance. Basically, all are the same, which is total resistance. Okay, so here we have 40 ohms and 120 ohms. So 1 over R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So we get 1 over 40. So, okay, plus 1 over 40 plus 1 over 20. So here we have 1 times 2 times 2, 4 over 40. So 110. So 1 over RT is equal to 110. So RT is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, so basically that's how we calculate resistor in parallel. I hope that you can understand on how to calculate resistor in series and parallel. Thank you everyone.